Let's cut across to the Prime Minister, who's paying his tribute on the 6th death anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. India remembers the former Prime Minister, with India paying tribute to the former Prime Minister. Visuals on your screen from Vijay Ghat, where the Prime Minister is paying a tribute to this is the stalwart Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who's known for his, who's been able to bridge political divides. He was one of the co-founders and the senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party and a member of the RSS, a Hindu nationalist volunteer organization. He was also known for he was known to be a very good orator. Today marks the 6th death anniversary of the stalwart. He died on the 16th of August in 2018. He served as the Prime Minister of India for 3 non-consecutive terms and was a key figure in the Bharatiya Janata Party. He died at the age of 93 in 2018. His tenure is remembered for significant economic reforms, efforts to improve India's infrastructure, and a strong stance on national security. He served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India, his first term for a term of only 13 days back in 1996, then for a period of 13 months from 1998 to 1999, followed by a full term from 1999 to 2004. He was the first non-Congress Prime Minister to serve a full term in office, and today marks the 6th death anniversary of the stalwart of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Visuals on your screen of the President Draupadi Murmu paying her tribute to the former Prime Minister of the country and the stalwart of the BJP. Of course, also Prime Minister Modi there paying his tribute to the stalwart of the BJP, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This is the 6th death anniversary of the former Prime Minister of the country.
माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति महोदय पुष्पांजलि अर्पित करेंगे श्रद्धेय अटल जी को। स्वयं श्री शिवमंगल सिंह सुमन ने अटल जी के बारे में कहा था कि ऐसा संवेदनशील कवि जो संघर्षशील योद्धा भी है, चुनौतियां भी देता है और विद्रोह भी करता है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी द्वारा पुष्पांजलि अर्पित की जा रही है श्रद्धेय अटल जी को। आज अटल जी हम सबको बहुत याद आ रही हैं। हमेशा से वो हमारे पथ प्रदर्शक रहे हैं। माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी, लोकसभा अध्यक्ष श्री ओम बिरला जी, माननीय लोकसभा अध्यक्ष जी ने पुष्पांजलि अर्पित की और अब राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष माननीय श्री जेपी नड्डा जी, और अब उपसभापति हरिवंश राय जी, अटल जी के परिवार के सदस्यगण, रिस्पेक्टेड नमिता जी, रिस्पेक्टेड श्री रंजन भट्टाचार्य जी, और सभी गणमान्य एनडीए के माननीय सदस्यगण, आज हमारे बीच में प्रार्थना सभा में संगीत में श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए उपस्थित हैं पवनदीप जी। पवनदीप जी टीवी का जाना माना पहचाना नाम, चेहरा और आवाज हैं। युवाओं में संगीत की बड़ी लोकप्रिय लहर हैं आप टीवी रियलिटी शोज के विजेता हैं। आपकी खासियत है कि आप लिखते भी हैं, गाते भी हैं और कई वाद्य यंत्र बजाते भी हैं। आपने कई एल्बम्स भी बनाए हैं। आप मूलतः उत्तराखंड से हैं। तो आइए सुनते हैं आपके सुर में श्रद्धेय अटल जी को एक संगीतमय श्रद्धांजलि। टीवी का जाना माना नाम, चेहरा, आवाज, पवनदीप जी।
ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण न्यारे तुम दे बेनु हमरा
The sixth death anniversary of the stalwart Atal Bihari Vajpayee, that with the BJP there paying its tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the former Prime Minister of the country. It is his sixth death anniversary. Members of the BJP, including the Prime Minister there, you can see JP Nadda, and of course the President there as well, paying a tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who served as the Prime Minister of the country for 3 terms. The first time that he was he became the Prime Minister of the country was back in 1996, which was for a period of only 13 days, which was followed in 1998 till about 1999. He served as the Prime Minister for 13 months for a full term. Then in 1999 till 2004, he was the first non-Congress Prime Minister to serve a full term in office. He was the co-founder and the senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He was a member of the Indian Parliament for over 5 decades, having been elected 10 times to the Lok Sabha, the lower house, and twice to the Rajya Sabha. He served as a member of Parliament from the Lucknow constituency, retiring from active politics in 2009 due to health concerns. He was among the founding members of the Bharatiya Jana Sangh, of which he was the president from 1968 to 1972. And it is the Bharatiya Jana Sangh that merged with several other parties to form the Bharatiya Janata Party. And it is Atal Bihari Vajpayee who became the Minister of External Affairs in the cabinet of the Prime Minister Morarji Desai in 1977. He then resigned in 1979. The Janata Alliance collapsed soon after, and then it was the Bharatiya Janata Party that was formed in 1980 with Vajpayee as its first president. So it is Atal Bihari Vajpayee who became the first president of the BJP. During his tenure as the Prime Minister, he carried on he tried to improve diplomatic relationships, whether it came to Pakistan and other countries as well. He sought to restore relations through engagement with the President of Pakistan at the time, inviting him to India for a summit at Agra. He also introduced many domestic economic and infrastructural reforms, including encouraging the private sector and the foreign investment, reducing governmental wastage, encouraging research and development, as well as privatization of some government-owned corporations. India's security was threatened by a number of violent incidents that took place, including in 2001, the Indian Parliament attack, and in 2002, the Gujarat riots, which ultimately caused a defeat of the stalwart in 2004's general election. To remember, the 25th of December has been marked as the Good Governance Day. That is the birthday of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and that was a day that was announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that was declared in 2004 in order to mark the birth anniversary, the birthday of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. To get more on this, we also have my colleague Aishwarya joining us. Aishwarya, as the country pays tribute to the stalwart on his 6th death anniversary, we've seen the members of the BJP come out in large number, to pay their tribute to the leader.
Well, certainly as nation pays homage to a former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, it is the tribute ceremony which is underway at the Atal Sadev over here, where President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President JP Nadda, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and along with Rajnath Singh, and all the NDA leaders have arrived over here to pay tributes to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It is also the cabinet ministers, and beyond the party lines, we can see the leaders who arrived over here to pay homage to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Today, it is the Prime Minister who stated that India had been benefited greatly from the leadership and played a pivotal role in boosting our nation's progress and in taking India to 21st century, and that's the kind of contribution that Atal Bihari Vajpayee had for the country. Therefore, the reason perhaps a stalwart leader which was loved by all the leaders across the party lines today had arrived over here at Atal Sadev to pay tributes. It has been stated by Mr. JP Nadda, the BJP president, that Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the inspiration of Bharatiya Janata Party workers, a guide of service and good governance as well. It was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the country's 10th Prime Minister, who remember breath his last on 16th August 2018, and after a prolonged illness. And it was Atal Bihari Vajpayee who led the NDA government between 1996 and 2004, and was a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party to become India's first India's Prime Minister. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, remember, is the first Prime Minister since Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to have become the Prime Minister of India with two successive mandates. Now it's Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the third successive mandate, who won from the Bharatiya Janata Party and from the NDA. But it was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, remember, who was elected to the Lok Sabha for at least 9 times and to Rajya Sabha twice, and therefore the reason perhaps today he is being remembered by the party cadres, by the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, by the leaders of the NDA as well. President Draupadi Murmu also arriving here at the Atal Sadev for paying tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Currently the prayers are underway over here at Atal Sadev, where leaders in large numbers have arrived, and also people from different societies also had arrived to pay homage to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now remember, at Sadev Atal, which is a memorial for Atal Bihari Vajpayee, where we are reporting from, is a place dedicated to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and it was also, remember, President Draupadi Murmu, who remembered Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his death anniversary. Certainly it is PM, it was President of India, Draupadi Murmu, who came first and paid floral tributes to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and certainly after that it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi, followed by Vice President Dhankad as well. But specifically speaking about Atal Bihari Vajpayee, from these visuals we can remember him, we can remember his work as far as a powerful speaker to a gifted poet. He expanded his horizons in every way possible, known as the man of masses. He was admired for his multi-faced personalities as well, because he was a poet, he was a lover for food as well, and that's how people try to remember him as well. But certainly it is also his leadership under which he came from Gwalior, where he joined the Sangh and later joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Was, remember, the founding members of Bharatiya Janata Party as well, and also it was under his leadership where India tried to reach multiple heights as far as the nuclear deal is concerned, as far as as far as taking India to a global stage. And representing India at United Nations, while Atal Bihari Vajpayee also spoke in our national languages. Those are few stories that people certainly remembers. But on the other side, it is today, Atal Sadev, where we are witnessing currently, he is being remembered as the stalwart former Prime Minister from different parts of the world. The tributes are pouring in for Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his death anniversary, and it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who is over here since last almost 30 minutes. He always had stated that under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he had learned a lot in the past few years, and whenever his guidance was when he was the Prime Minister, and Narendra Modi was then Chief Minister of Gujarat as well. Certainly it is now Prime Minister, President and Vice President greeting those artists who had been paying tributes to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. But certainly it is also President Draupadi Murmu who is meeting the family members of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who is present over here. as far as Sadaiv Atal is concerned, the memorial for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now it is also, along with President, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, accompanied by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is also had been stated to us that uh, you know the prominent leaders of our country, including the leaders from the South parties, the TDP, the JDU, all have been arrived. The cabinet ministers can be witnessed over here. Now Prime Minister and the President and Vice President greeting those leaders before leaving from Atal Sadaiv. It's every year we see such leaders coming over here at Atal Sadaiv and paying tributes to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who served as Prime Minister thrice briefly in 1996 and then for 2 terms between 1998 and 2004. His birthday, remember, which falls on December 25th, is celebrated as Good Governance Day. He was also awarded as Bharat Ratna in 2014. And one of the prominent leaders of the country and founding members of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, remember, passed away on August 16, 2018 at the AIIMS after a prolonged illness. He was 93 years of age at that point of time. And since then, we are witnessing every year leaders come at Sadaiv Atal, which is a memorial for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And now the memorial is open for public in large after the President and Vice President left the venue, and now public in large would come from different parts of the country, in fact, will pay tributes and a floral tribute to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee over here in the national capital. It is also, remember, his birthplace in Gwalior, where today it's a morning that every year we witness, and it is his work that certainly is being celebrated across the country. It is, remember, his family members also who arrived this morning at Atal Sadaiv, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi was greeted to the family members and remembered Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now there you can see Sense and other key leaders from different parts of the world who also arrived. Remember, ambassadors from different countries also who resides in Delhi also had arrived at Atal Sadaiv, because he was a mass leader, of course, but has popularity across the world as well, and therefore to pay tributes, we can see ambassadors from different countries also arriving at Atal Sadaiv to pay floral tributes. Currently, it is different saints from different sects who are currently paying floral tributes. Former union ministers also arriving over here, and that's the kind of respect that we have seen for Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and certainly just because of that, across the party lines, he was respected today as well. His key speeches in the parliament are being remembered by different leaders. He had been quoted at several occasions by several leaders, and now Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with President Draupadi Murmu and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, left the venue after paying floral tributes on the death anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Right, Aishwarya, of course, also, there we see the Prime Minister paying his tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who was known as for his as a good orator, for his skills as a poet. But it is Yogi Adityanath who's gone on to say that, paying his tribute, talking about Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the revered Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji on his death anniversary, who flavored politics with democratic values, a king of Indian politics, the spirit of nation first. His entire life illuminated by this is a guide for all public representatives. The memories of respected Atal ji will always remain alive in the hearts of all of us. Nitin Gadkari also put out this message saying that the former Prime Minister and Bharat Ratna revered Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji is the source of inspiration for crores of workers of the country. Ideology as an efficient organizer and based on principles Atal Bihari Vajpayee's life was always dedicated to the nation. Today on his Memorial Day, many congratulations to him. So there is a lot that is being said about the stalwart, and the BJP there coming out in large number paying their tribute. From a powerful speaker to a gifted poet, he expanded his horizons in every possible way. He was known as a man of the masses. He was admired for his multi-faceted personality. Today marks the 6th death anniversary of the former Prime Minister of the country.